Example 3. The area of a circle is 2 pi centimeters squared. Find the radius of the circle correct to 2 decimal places. Formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared, where r is the radius. Okay, the formula is pi r squared, and the area is equal to 2 pi centimeters squared. And if we divide this equation both left and right by pi, let me just divide that by pi, both sides of it, so that we maintain stability to the equation, then it becomes r squared equal to 2. And we want to find the value of r, the radius. So r is equal to square root of 2, which means that we need to do a long division method until 3 decimal places. So if we want to find out until 3 decimal places, that means we need to put 3 pairs of zeros. And why do we need to figure out until 3 decimal places? Because we want to find out the digit at the third decimal place, whether or not it's going to be 5 or more, or is it going to be below than 5. So let's do that. The first digit is going to be 1, of course. So the remainder is 1.00. So plus 1 becomes 2 point something. And the next digit is going to be 4, because if you put 5, then it's going to be more than 1. So 2.4 times 4, that becomes 0.96. And the new remainder is going to be 0.104. So this is 4. So we have got until 1 decimal place already, 1.4. So add 0.4 here, that becomes 2.8 something. Let's bring down the next pair of zeros. So what is it going to be? Is it going to be 2? If I put 2 here, then 2.82 times 0.02, that is going to be bigger than 0.04. So it looks like it's going to be 1 here. So that becomes 0.0281. This is 9. This is 1. And this is 1, 0, and 0. So this is the new remainder. Bring down the last pair of zeros. So we add 0.01 here. That becomes 2.82 something. And this something is the last digit we want to find out. And the value of this digit will determine whether or not we're going to do some round down or round up. Okay, I figure out that this is going to be 4 here. But let's evaluate that. 2.824 times 0.004. Then let's check out whether or not this is going to be more or less than the remainder. So 4 times 4 is 16. And 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 becomes 9. So 8 times 4 is 32. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 becomes 11. So this is going to be 6 decimal places. So this is the answer then. 0.011296. Okay, this is good because there is less than the remainder. So the new remainder is going to be 406,000.0. Okay, that's how far we need to do it. And square root of 2 is roughly 1.414, yeah, according to this quotient, yeah. Don't be confused with this number. So 2 is roughly 1.4 414, and we need to take a look at the third decimal place because the answer requires us to find until 2 decimal places, and 4 is definitely less than 5. That means 2 square root of 2 is equal to 1.41. That is correct to 2 decimal places. Roughly r is equal to 1.41, 2 decimal places. So that is how we determine the value of the radius of the circle up to 2 decimal places.